In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of the free trial or free features of QuickBooks Self-Employed. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your accounting processes, these tips will help you navigate the platform efficiently and effectively without spending a dime. First off, let's focus on signing up for a free trial. When you head over to the QuickBooks Self-Employed website, look for the option to try it free. This will usually be prominently displayed, inviting you to explore the platform without committing financially upfront. Once you've located the free trial option, click on it to begin the registration process. You'll need to create an account, typically by providing your email address and setting up a secure password. Remember, creating strong, unique passwords is crucial for keeping your financial information safe, so consider using a password manager if that's aligned with your security practices. After you've got your account all set up, it's time to explore the dashboard. You'll find several tools and features designed specifically to assist freelancers and small business owners with managing their finances. One key area to check out is the expense tracking feature. You can manually enter expenses or connect your bank account to automatically import transactions. This seamless integration helps in categorizing and organizing your spending, which is essential for reporting and tax purposes. While you're poking around, spend some time experimenting with the invoicing feature. QuickBooks Self-Employed allows you to create professional-looking invoices efficiently. This function is extremely beneficial for independent contractors and service providers who frequently bill clients, ensuring your invoicing is both quick and accurate. Have fun customizing the templates to your preferred style, and consider adding company logos or other branding for a polished final product. Another fantastic feature is the mileage tracker. If you're often on the road for business purposes, tracking mileage can be crucial for deductions. The app can automatically calculate your trips when enabled on your smartphone, making it effortless to keep track of your travel expenses. Make sure your phone has GPS activated to capture the mileage accurately. Finally, enhance your learning by utilizing Intuit's robust learning resources. On their website, you'll find a wealth of tutorials, webinars, and articles designed to improve your QuickBooks skills and ensure you make the most of its features. These resources are tailored to different learning levels and styles, making them accessible whether you're a QuickBooks newbie or a more seasoned user. As you use the platform, take full advantage of customer support. The trial period is an excellent opportunity to ask questions and get comfortable with all the features.